Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a difference between the new helpdesk ticket and ongoing helpdesk ticket discussion. Also, I'm going to teach you how to handle both of these situations. Alright, so firstly, I'm going to send a couple of tickets via a client. So this is the client here, and he's sending some tickets to our help desk. For example, it could be hello, okay, it could be help. Hello, how can I help? Actually, yeah, this is a client writing, so it could be hello, support. I need some help. Okay, so I'm sending one more message. It could be renewing our license. Hi, how can I renew my license, please? All right, so a couple of more tickets. One more weather. Some very strange topic. Hi, what is the weather today? Okay, and the last ticket could be matrix request. Which matrix movie is the best? Okay, so these are some questions from clients. And we go to our help desk and settings of the project, and now collect these emails via the get mail button here. So just to say, it is manually getting the mails here via this button on our demo server. However, feel free to use the automation of collecting emails onto your Redmine. So yeah, it is uh, described in detail on our documentation article, so please feel free to check it and follow the steps. Okay, so we have 3 mails here collected. There should be one more. All right. Uh, okay, seems to be some problem here. So just leave it to be in this way. We have 3 messages now. So the first methodology that I'm going to show you about distinguishing this new or in progress messages is by the status. So the status is very important. So firstly, I'm going to show you on administrator here on the top right corner. We have issue statuses here, and uh, both statuses that we are going to need have to be not issue closed value. So this is only for closed issues. So currently, uh, every new ticket of help desk is picking automatically the top status here, which is named new in our case. So these are the new statuses. And the next one is in progress, and this is set into the settings of the help desk. So again to say, it is a project, then settings, then here is reopen ticket status. This is predefined to be in progress. So this is it. New status is actually configured on administration, and replying status is configured here. It is in progress. Okay, for example, I'm going to answer this ticket. So I click on reply and say, okay, the question is which Matrix movie is the best? And the answer is hi. This is me, Dimitar. Hi, Dimitar. The best movie is the first one, of course. It is from 1999. Okay, so I submit, and the ticket is automatically closed, and it is no more new ticket because it is replied by the support agent, and the reply is here. Okay. uh yeah, this is the answer. The best movie is the first one, of course. It is from 999. So the client replies to the support agent, all right, I think the same. Okay, so we collect once again the new tickets. So it is, um, it got some delay. Oh, here it is. This is our new reply. So I refresh here, and here it is. The status is in progress. So if I open the ticket again, then we got this. All right, I think the same. So the client has answered to the support agent. So the support agent is this one, Paul Smith. I'm logged in as administrator, and the administrator is Paul Smith. Okay, so this is the thread. This is just a discussion. First initial message, it is a new help desk ticket, then a reply from the support agent to the client, then the client replies back, and it is now reopened with status in progress because it is waiting for the support agent to answer. Okay, so the thing that I wanted to show you is uh, first method of distinguishing this is by saving the queries. So I add filter here, that is status of the issue, and actually not a status, but a yeah, actually it is status, and it is, and we specify to be in progress. Okay, so we apply the changes here and save the custom query, and it is named in progress tickets, in brackets, waiting for a support agent to answer. All right. So it could be visible to me only or to any users. Yeah, we put it to be to any users. Of course, it is up to you how to set it. And for all projects, all right. Okay, so we save this query and now clear it. So we go outside of this query, and now we save a second query that is status again, filter status. The status is new. So these are the new tickets. So I apply and see our new tickets here. So save custom query and say new tickets. Waiting for a support agent to pick. Or, yeah, actually there is no need for this. So just new tickets, all right? So again, visible to any users and for all projects, and all other options here are up to you. Of course, I'm going to leave it as it is and save our query. Okay, so I clear the board, and that's it. So I go somewhere else, for example, on the overview, and go to issues here, and yeah, currently we have only 3 tickets, and it is very easy to see which one is new and which one is ongoing and in progress. But just imagine if you have, for example, 2,000 or 10,000 of tickets. It is going to be very, very hard for you to know which one is new, which one is something else, which one is closed, which one is rejected, because there are such statuses in our configuration here, and yeah, so on. It could be a big mess. So just to escape this mess and to be more convenient for you, you just click new tickets here on the right. These are the saved queries. So you click on new tickets and you will list all the new tickets here, and you pick one and start answering the client, right? Okay, so however, if you wish to handle situations that are ongoing discussions, in progress tickets, uh, just clients that are waiting for a reply for an ongoing discussion, we click the another query that is in progress tickets, waiting for agent to answer. All right, so this is it. And this query lists all these tickets that are ongoing discussions and waiting for answer. All right, so this is the matrix topic here now. Yeah, this was the first method of handling this situation and making the difference between these two types of tickets. Okay, so the second method is by the email rules. So please go to administration again on the top right corner, and here you will find the help desk, and now here you'll see the email rules tab. Currently we do not have any rules, so click on new rule, and on the trigger option we pick incoming message because it is concerning the income, the first condition that we will set. So we set message type is a new message. Okay, this is new message. uh, yeah, we could put condition new message and priority to be immediately. Okay. uh, yeah, okay, this is the first rule that we'll set. And the second rule, all right, come on, please create this. Okay, and the second rule that we'll create is going to be again for incoming messages, but this time the message type will be response. So this means that the from the other example, response is actually the in progress tickets. So the ones that are already ongoing, there are a lot of replies from client and from support agent, and it is an ongoing discussion in general. So this is message type response. All right. For this thing, we put, sorry, not a project, but we put priority to be, well, not low, but all right, to be high. Okay, so we have a high priority here and immediate for new tickets. All right, because yeah, let's consider these clients to be more impatient and more urgent. That's why they are immediate, and these ones are already in discussion, so they are just high, high priority. Okay, we got some tickets here that are already existing in our help desk. That's why they are actually not involved into this email rule. This is based uh, only on the new tickets that are going to come. Okay, yeah, let's try to put some new ticket. So we write to our demo server and add some request. Let's see the new method of making a difference between new tickets and ongoing discussions. Well, let's see. So this is the message from a client to the help desk. All right. So we got into the settings of our help desk and then go to the top help desk and collect the emails again. So we got the new message, refresh, and see it has a priority that is immediately. So it is burning red light that is going to burn your eyes, and client waiting for a reply. It is a new message that is immediate. Okay, I'm going to use the old tickets just to make one in progress. I'm going to use the matrix request again. Uh, So yeah, when the new reply will come, it will be applied over the email, so it will be painted into red as well for the high priority. So I'm going just to show you. So yeah, we have here all right, I think the same. So now the support agent answers to the client. Thanks for the reply, and if I can help you with something else about the Matrix movies, please feel free to tell me. All right. Uh, okay, so we sent this message to the client, and the client gets it, of course. Where it is? Ah, here it is. Okay, please feel free to tell me. All right, all right. So I say thank you. Currently, I do not have any new requests. Bye bye. Okay, so I send this to the support agent. So let's go again to the settings and collect the emails. There is some small delay. Here it is. Here is the new message. Okay, so this is the point. We got this reply from a client, and it is with priority high, and it is a bit different colored by the immediate. By the way, if you wish, you could set another priority. For example, if you set the low priority, it will be colored and painted into blue. So it will be similar like this when I'm hovering the mouse now. So it is up to you. I just wanted to show you as an example. Uh, okay, so yeah, the immediate is also bold here, and it is a bit more intensive red. So yeah, it could be distinguished, I think. So yeah, this is the second method of making a difference. If you have not so many tickets on your list, for example, if there are not 10,000, and if there are 15 or 20 tickets, then it is a good method for you just to use this coloring scheme, coloring method. So in this way, you could distinguish which ticket is new and which is an already ongoing discussion. So just by selecting different colors for the priorities. So currently we have high priority for replying requests. It is uh, it is less intensive red color, and the new tickets that are immediate and they are more burning eyes and more intensive red color. So yeah, this is for small amount of tickets, again to say, and if you have a lot of tickets, for example 1000, then it is better to use the first method by saving queries and accessing the tickets list here on the right. Okay, so yeah, it is up to you finally which method to use. If you wish the first one, you could use the first one. If you like the second one, please feel free to use it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful for you. If you wish, you could check our YouTube channel and subscribe and share some videos if you find them interesting. And don't forget to thumb up, leave comment, or just contact us at support at redmineup.com if you have some questions, some problems, or just to say hi. How are you doing, guys? All right, thanks for your patience, and bye bye for now.